Be in a safe place. City of Bluncville, Rainbow Crossing, Royal in Blount County. You need to be in a safe place as well. This will pass just a little bit west of Susan Moore and come up toward U.S. Highway 278 near the Highway 231 intersection where the
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for Jefferson County in central Alabama, northern Shelby County in central Alabama, east central Tuscaloosa County in west central Alabama, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, storm spotters in the National Weather Service were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado on the ground near Brookwood, or 12 miles east of Holt. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Bessemer, Hueytown, Helena, Fairfield, PELHAM, Hoover, Vestavia Hills, Homewood, Birmingham, and Chelsea. This includes Interstate 65 exit numbers 242 through 282, Interstate 459 exit numbers 1 through 33, US 78 exit numbers 81 through 91, Interstate 20 exit numbers 89 through 140, Interstate 59 exit numbers 130 through 143. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Couple of gas stations there as well. They're not there anymore, but there is a definite potential for a tornado on Highway 231, just northwest of Royal, just northeast of downtown Bluncville. That's moving up. The community there says